I stack the leaves on top of each other like that. And then I roll them. And then I slice them finely like that. Because when you're having an egg roll, you don't want to necessarily bite into a whole big leaf. You want strips. Okay. So I have already sliced a bunch here, as you can see. And we are going to go now and saute them. Now, I know traditionally we like to cook these collard greens to death. I don't do that. I saute my collard greens should be done in under 10 minutes so that you retain the nutritional value. They give you a little bit, they still have their texture. Set that to me. And they're very flavorful. Let's turn it on. Okay. Now, what I add to my collards, I add oil. I use any high heat, high quality oil is recommended. Because I'm going to be preparing them in the air fryer, I'm not saying overdo it on the oil, but maybe add a little bit more because we don't want them to be dry. So I used grapeseed oil. In addition to the grapeseed oil, I'm going to also use, I'm going to add a little bit of onion and garlic. I always keep a little bit of onion and garlic chopped up in my refrigerator. So that's what that was. And then Himalayan salt, pink salt. Just add a little bit to taste. Himalayan salt is extremely good for you, especially, if we have, I guess older people that are dealing with high blood pressure. It's a pretty good salt to use. And in addition to the already minced garlic and onions, I also like to add garlic powder. I love garlic powder. So add a little bit of that. Okay, the light that we're using, I would say use like a medium light. Notice how I did not add any water. I didn't add any water because the collard greens are going to generate their own water. So I'm going to put a lid on that. And then I'm going to saute that for, I would say I'm going to check on it maybe after 6 minutes. Wait, let me go get a lid. Oh, here we go. Okay. All right. Sauteing, we get the other ingredients. I kind of already cheated because I have some that I already sauteed. But I'm going to go get, so we have the sauteed collard greens. The reason why I also cheated a little bit is they're really hot when they come out. So you have to give them a cooling period because they'll burn your mouth. They'll burn your hands. So that's a little bit there. I'm also going to use, if you have oil, you can use the same oil and a brush. You can brush that, you'll see how you'll need that with a brush. So Nat Soya, it's gluten-free, it's vegan, and they come out amazing. You'll see. You can get this at Whole Foods. Like that. Okay. So you put it in, and these are for children. You don't want to overpower. So it's not so much collards. It's just a little bit. You line the edges with the water, like a diamond. You put it like that. Squeeze it in. Fold it in on the right. A little bit of water. Fold it in on the left. A little bit of water. And then we gonna roll it. We put water on it. This is where I want to spray it with a little oil. Wait, I want to test it. You spray it with a little oil, and that's ready to go. Line the sides, stuff it in like that. Pull it up under, like kind of squeeze it so it's compact. Go to the side, fold it on the side there, and then roll it. Okay. So because the board had a little bit of oil on it, so from the first one, so you don't even have to spray this one. This one is ready to go. So you do the same thing with these. So the way it works is you put it in, this is a fast meal. So you put it in, close it. It's on as soon as you plug it in, and you turn it to the air fryer setting. Wait. There. And you can, the temperature is already set, but you can actually adjust the time. So I'm going to put it to 6 minutes. And halfway through, is going to beep, and I'm going to flip it. I'm going to flip them over. Plate. And we have the rolls. Look at them. Look at how they came out, y'all. My son is so excited. He's my videographer. He's the camera shaking. Don't they look delicious?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Okay.